Hi, welcome. In this video, we are going to see one of the very important data analysis scenario in MS Excel. So look at my data. So I have three columns. In column A, I have demo invitees, and column B, I have demo attendees, and column C, who was invited and did not come, right? For example, consider that you are organizing a demo session, right? So you have invited a bunch of people, that is column A, and in column B, only few people are attended and few people did not attend your demo. The reason why we are doing this analysis is you want to identify the people who did not attend the demo on that particular day and send out an email to them for next demo whenever you organize it, right? So that in that way you can improve your business. So imagine like how important this scenario is for the business, right? So they have to identify the people who did not attend the demo and send out an email so that they can increase their business, right? Let us see how we can quickly achieve this scenario using MS Excel, right? So for this, I'm going to use a filter function, filter, and then the array. So my array is the column A data, and then comma not. I'm going to compare the column B data with column A data again. Count if a tab column B data and then comma column A data and close the bracket three times. Press the enter. Boom. Here you go. Let us quickly verify this data. Ram. Ram was attended but did not Ram was invited but did not attend the demo. John. John was invited but did not attend the demo. Peter. Peter was invited. Peter was invited, did not attend the demo. See, you can take all these people email IDs and send out an email so that there are chances that they may attend the next demo so that you can increase your business, right? I hope guys this video is useful to you. If you feel there is a content in this video, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. Whenever I publish a new video, you will get the notification. See you in the next video.